RWA, also known as real world assets, is a term that is always lingering around the crypto space. It will most likely become the largest crypto narrative, and that's why it's important to find crypto gems that are focusing on the integration of real world assets. So, welcome back again. I'm Theo, a content creator for the AltCryptoTalk team. Let me introduce you to the XDC network. We will go into what the blockchain is, how it works, and I will give you a rough price prediction for the XDC token. Nothing in this video is financial advice, purely my own opinion and based on my own research. Do not invest in anything you can't afford to lose, and be sure to smash that like and subscribe button and leave a comment if you have any questions whatsoever. Be sure to follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems for daily crypto content, and check out our website for frequent guides, project reviews, articles, and everything crypto related. And guys, it's giveaway time once again. The crypto legend himself, Jules, aka AltCryptoGems, is putting up $250 to give away to say thank you to the 4,500 subscribers supporting our YouTube channel. The requirements are very easy: like, subscribe, and comment why you deserve to win this reward. And obviously, I don't need to mention that you need to follow AltCryptoGems on Twitter. It's very easy. Good luck to you all, and the winner will be announced this week, so stay tuned and let's get started with the videos, ladies and gentlemen. So what is the XDC network? Well, in my opinion, it is a game changer in the world of blockchain technology. It first launched in 2017, and it's designed to bring a major shake-up in the trade and finance industry. Obviously, these are the largest industries in the world, and what it does is very important. It transforms real-world assets and financial tools into a digital format on the blockchain. This means it takes tangible things like properties and financial contracts and turns them into digital tokens that can be moved around on the blockchain. For example, that could be an NFT or it could be a digital token. It's all dependent on the tangible item. Now, most blockchains work on the proof of work or proof of stake consensus mechanisms. However, XDC uses something called the delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism, or also known as the XDPOS. And this is the way they verify transactions on the network. And what's special about the XDC network is that it combines the best of both worlds: the openness of public blockchains and the security of private blockchains. So what's the big goal for XDC network? Well, simply put, it aims to give traditional trade and finance a massive makeover by harnessing the power of smart contracts. The XDC network is a great competitor to other networks. It is able to process up to 2,000 transactions per second, which is much better than the leading networks Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, the finance industry is a giant beast valued at over $1.7 trillion, and imagine if XDC network captures just 1% of this market. That would put its value at a staggering $17 billion, which we'll come back to at the end of the video. And what could make it valued at $17 billion? Well, let me give you the solutions that they offer. Well, firstly, it enables anyone to turn real-world assets into digital or crypto assets, which is absolutely perfect and needed for global adoption. XDC Network also offers digital assets that have regulatory support, which is great for businesses and countries, or even governments. It features a digital asset composer, which basically allows anyone to create smart contracts, custom NFTs, DeFi protocols, and more, all without needing a line of code. Now tell me that isn't unbelievable. Literally, me or you could just go on the XDC network and launch a proper DeFi protocol or whatever it is you want to launch. Next up, we have a cross-chain bridge to Ethereum and other similar networks. It also allows for quick and efficient cross-border and domestic payments. It enables creation of regulated stablecoins, which is a type of cryptocurrency that is tied to a reserve asset. For example, the dollar or the pound or the yen, for example. It also offers compliance solutions that can monitor and verify blockchain activities, which would be needed for government and legal frameworks. Now, these are just the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot more the XDC network has to offer, and it's all very exciting. Now, let's dive into the ecosystem, which is probably the most exciting part, as you probably want to know what applications are within the network. So one key player I need to mention in the XDC network ecosystem is the International Trade and Forfeiting Association, also known as the ITFA. The ITFA has been around for over 24 years, and XDC was the first blockchain to join the ITFA, which is a huge step in the right direction. The ITFA, for those who are wondering, is the Worldwide Trade Association for companies, financial institutions, and intermediaries engaged in global trade, forfeiting, supply chain, and receivables financing. That's what's read on the official ITFA website, which you can read more if you like. There's also what's called eCoin, an AI-focused platform with social features, cashback, and incentivized mining. eCoin has set its sights on attracting a vast number of users, which you can check it out on the website. So, We also have Fathom, which is XDC Network's main platform for borrowing and lending. Similar to Aave, Fathom also has a popular liquid staking feature, which allows users to earn extra interest on their staked assets. This is incredible and basically XDC Network's version of Lido Finance, or Rocket Pool for that matter. Another part of the ecosystem is XDC, not literally the tablet XDC, but XD and C within the Ocean Sea, which is a peer-to-peer NFT marketplace akin to the Ethereum's OpenSea. So we've also got shopping.io, which is absolutely wicked and is a platform that is linked to AliExpress, which is also now integrated with the XDC network. This means users can buy or sell items using XDC. It could be anything from furniture, fidget spinners, or anything you can find on Alibaba or AliExpress for that matter. So feel free to explore the rest of the ecosystem on your own, but another big thing worth mentioning is that the XDC has even scored a big win in the world of sports, landing a sponsorship deal with DC United, a top tier football team, or also known as soccer in America, which has over 250,000 fans. Now, soccer isn't the biggest sport in America, it's much bigger in Europe and South America. However, 250,000 fans is a lot, and I reckon in the future they'll make some other big sponsorships. Now, powering all of this is the XDC token, which is the native token used to pay for transactions on the network, much like Ethereum and other blockchains. So, for example, Ethereum has ETH, Polygon has Matic, which will probably change the poll, BNB Chain has BNB, Avalanche has AVAX, and the list goes on. Developers and businesses also use XDC when they set up and create smart contracts and decentralized applications, which gives the token more utility. In conclusion, it's clear that blockchain technology is on the brink of revolutionizing our world. Everything is going to be shifted onto the blockchain, and XDC Network is at the forefront of the revolution, focusing on digitalizing real-world assets. Now, that is going to be a huge thing in the future, and probably the largest narrative that we will ever see. And also, guys, I do want to mention, for the XDC network to rise to the top, it needs to become more compatible with the EVM, not just have a cross-chain bridge, but have more Ethereum apps such as Uniswap, Trader Joe, GMX, and so many other EVM compatible decentralized applications that would be worth having on the network. So that's my conclusion on XDC network, but let me give you a little price prediction. At the time of making this video, the XDC network token XDC is currently priced at 3.5 cents roughly, with a market cap of $466.6 million, ranking it the 85th largest cryptocurrency by market cap. It's gone up around 6.3% in the last 7 days. In the last month, it is down 0.47%, but overall it is up over 1,060%. Now, the XDC token has seen an all-time high of just under 20 cents, which was reached in the last bull market in 2021. It reached an all-time high of roughly $2.25 billion, as we can see, but in my opinion, I reckon it's going to reach around $17 billion, just like I mentioned earlier in the video, which in my opinion could take it to roughly $1.40 to $1.60. You might think that's crazy, but if you think about it, the trade and financial industry is absolutely enormous, and like I mentioned, if it gets just 1% of the market, then XDC network would just absolutely blow up and hit $1.60. Now, I'm not saying this is 100% guaranteed. However, the XDC network has formed great partnerships, the ecosystem is growing, and I think we're expecting to see a lot more from the network. So if we were to compare it with the market cap of ADA, XDC would do a 23.3x, making the XDC network hit a price of 80 cents or just under, with a market cap of $11 billion. Let's just say for the sake of it, it was to hit the market cap of BNB, which is $37.8 billion, XDC would reach a price of $2.74. Now, this is a crazy price prediction. However, if XDC network becomes adopted globally, then the odds of it doing an 80x are extremely high. Now, my most conservative guess would be that in the next bull run, we'll easily see XDC network reach a $5 billion market cap. Remember, it's not financial advice, it's my personal opinion. The XDC token could reach a price of 36 cents. I do like the network. I think it is definitely sustainable. It definitely has good opportunity, and I'll soon be deciding to dollar cost average into the XDC token. Now, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, participate in the giveaway, and we currently have a promotion running on Bybit, the best centralized exchange platform for buying, trading, and earning. Bybit is home to all your favorite cryptocurrencies, and you can claim up to $4,380 just by signing up using the link in the description below. It's simple. If you need help finding the right crypto gems, then follow us on Twitter at AltCryptoGems and head over to our website to get your hands on detailed project reviews, crypto guides, and more. Thank you very much for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful and informative. Until next time, DGens.